In today's episode, we will be doing an arpeggio exercise. My name is John Tracy and I'm a voice coach. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. As always, the exercises are available to download on my website, johnthevoiceguru.com/exercises. You have the music score in a PDF file, but also the sing-along piano MP3 track for you to practice on. There are a few things you need to keep in mind when you are practicing and warming up. So the oo sound is very close to an ah sound. The only difference is that with the oo sound, the lips get close to each other. So we round up the lips from all sides, okay? It's not muscular, but it's just that we gather the lips together. And this is how you create an oo sound. Any other attempt to create an oo using the throat or any other activity like the chin is false because it's going to create a lot of tension, okay? So try saying just the sound oo, 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 like an owl, okay? Oo, oo. Now, create the oo from the ah. So if I do ah, oo, you see it's kind of the same thing because the fundamental of the sound is the same, okay? You're just putting that cherry on top, that icing on the cake. It's just that last make-believe that you're creating with your voice. Okay, so this exercise is pretty simple. Okay, it's just an arpeggio. C, E, G, E, C. Okay, so as I said before, this exercise will not only develop the oo sound, the arpeggio, but also help you have a better focus when it comes to expanding your breath support. Because this sentence, this melodic phrase, is a bit longer than what we've been doing so far. So here, it's a simple exercise where you can take your time. Okay, don't do this fast. I want you to really take your time with it and really feel the morphing, one note coming from the other note. Okay, so one note becomes the other note. Oh, instead of oh, it's not a race, okay? So when you see it that way, you have no choice but to keep the breath support till the end of the melodic phrase. Okay? Now you try it. whenever you have doubt with the oo sound, always make sure you go back to the source, which is the ah sound. Okay, so you can grab the ah sound again and just focus the lips so that they round it up to create the oo. Don't forget that the sound goes up because we are vertical, okay? We're not projecting the sound to the front. As soon as you have this perception in your mind, your body's gonna react in a good way to it. Subscribe to the Voice Guru channel on YouTube, on Instagram, and on Facebook, and check me out at johnthevoiceguru.com. I'm John Tracy, and thank you for watching.